today we are going camping at Conto Campground in Australia's southwest, and we thought we would show you around what it's like.
Yep, now I go.
Can you guess this one?
So we are here and we are all set up, and I think we got a pretty cool spot. Come and have a look. So we have a little fire pit, but there's a fire ban, so we won't be using that. And then right next to it we have a table, and there's our camper, and it's surrounded by these trees. And then just through there we have the toilet, which is like a minute walk, which is perfect. So we are going to go and see if we can find Conto Beach, which is apparently 3 kilometers from here, but we have no Wi-Fi. We're on Optus though, which doesn't have as good reception as Telstra.
We are brave, we are free, nothing's stopping you and me. We are the wild ones, we are the fearless. Now's our time to feel alive. We're chasing that golden sky. Cause we are young and nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing can hold us back. We can have our fun underneath the sun. Underneath the sun.
Oh no, the water's coming in, Summer. You're not gonna be able to get in. Oh no, Summer. Summer. Oh, stay. Go on the top. Go on the top. Go on the top. Stay there. Stay there. The water. No, stay there. The water's gonna go back. Yeah, stay there. Stay there.
Just do what we dare, living life without a care. We're gonna make a mark in Pinker's town red. Take a dive into the blue, see the world, make a move, a move. Cause we are young and nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing can hold us back. We can have our fun underneath the sun.
And I'm calling him Mr. Pictures. He's $143 at my shop. He's a quarter of the crab, and I accidentally ripped it off when I found him. I flipped out, so I grabbed the sign. Yeah. It's $1,043. Get your small crab. I found a small crab.
Cut this in half. Then we open it up a bit. Eek.
You just burp.
We get marshmallows, and we get some chocolate.
And stuff them in.
3 chocolates.
3
and
chocolates.
maybe 3 marshmallows.
I'm doing it. Stuff them.
We're gonna wrap it up, and we're gonna cook it on the barbecue until it's nice and melted.
Bye.
So take it off?
Yeah.
Dad, look at me.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
All the way off.
are you doing?
You get the marshmallow stuck in the
Oh, I'll clean up.
I need mine.
What do you think? Oh, is it hot?
Big one? Big one or bird? Scary. So that's scary. Its ball came down.